Trading Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your trading mentor's free trading video for Monday, November 8th, 2010. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 20 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan, day live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 12:18.50. And we immediately came into a signal long, which was rolled right over, took a T0 minus 14 to start off the morning. Now this morning we were in a range environment, so I'm showing you every signal that's set up via our system today, and some of these are extension entries, etc. In our room, when we get into a range day, we actually try to trade the edges. And so what I'm showing you is the pure signal system if you're ignoring the edges and you caught the extensions, etc. But just to let you know, there was other opportunities to go short at the upper edges and long at the lower edges based off some other techniques we use that are available if you'd like to join us in our daily trading room. We'll be glad to teach you some of these other techniques. But anyway, the market pushed down, like I said, ran through that first trade entry, T0 minus 14, set up to what would have been an extension entry to the downside that ultimately hit targets 1 and targets 2 for 9 ticks. Again, trading an extension in a range environment is not something you would typically do. Then the market basically reversed at our 10 o'clock reversal time frame, and it came back up, set up a signal long entry, took a little bit of heat on that trade initially, ultimately hit T1 and T2 to the upside for 7 ticks. And then during that process there is actually a reset of the signals, and we got a second signal, again T1 and T2. Now the problem with T2 on this next trade, you more than likely were not filled because it only touched you to the tick that's first time through, but then it came up a second time and hit you 4 more times, and then by this time people were able to get their T2s off. So T2 plus 7 typically did not get filled until that 10:45 confirmation time, at which time it turned the market and pushed down hard again. And if you were watching Bank during this process, Bank started really selling off hard. We actually had an extension short opportunity here that hit targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks, just a small little extension short off of the swing level lows over here. As it came down through yesterday's low, pulled back within a tick of that, sold off and got that T1, T2, and then started to reverse back up to the upper edge of its range into the lunchtime dead zone. Now between 11:30 and 1:15, the red area you see on this chart, that is the lunchtime dead zone. We do not initiate any new trades. We wait for lunch to pass and we start looking for opportunities again. We almost got with an opportunity to get short, but one of our rule sets does not allow us to get into this trade on the wrong side of this gold line here, and so the entry would have been above the gold line, so we missed this first short opportunity to the downside, and good fortune because the market actually fired off a signal long that hit your fill to the tick and hit targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks, and then it crossed back down through the moving average, gave you a signal short. Now this one wasn't so fortunate. We had our first contract off, ultimately got stopped off on this push up for a T1 minus 2. So all in all there was 7 trades, but it was really a choppy day. It was more of a range trading day the way we play it, but had you taken every cross and caught every extension, you would have had a maximum of 20 ticks available for you today trading the signal rules with 7 trades. So all in all, not too bad. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click on the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.